Welcome to our channel. Today we dive into an exciting topic, how AI tools can revolutionize the way copywriters enhance their skills and creativity. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York or the serene landscapes of Iceland, AI is transforming how we write and communicate. Let's begin by addressing a common challenge faced by many copywriters: the pressure to produce high-quality content quickly and consistently. Traditional methods can sometimes stifle creativity and slow down productivity. But here's where AI steps in as a game changer. Imagine having a tool that not only assists you in brainstorming fresh ideas, but also refines your writing with precision. AI technologies are designed to do just that. With powerful algorithms, these tools can analyze vast amounts of data and suggest improvements, ensuring your content is not only engaging, but also tailored to your audience's needs. One significant benefit of using AI in copywriting is the ability to streamline research. Instead of spending hours sifting through information, AI can quickly gather and summarize relevant data, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling narratives. Another advantage is the enhancement of creativity. AI can offer unique prompts and alternative phrasing options, sparking inspiration and pushing the boundaries of traditional copywriting. This collaborative approach between human ingenuity and machine efficiency opens up new realms of possibilities. Moreover, AI tools can help maintain consistency in tone and style across multiple platforms, ensuring your brand's voice remains recognizable and professional. For global audiences, AI can also assist in tailoring content to different cultural contexts, making your message more relatable and impactful. So how do you get started? Begin by exploring popular AI tools designed for copywriting. Many offer free trials so you can experiment and find which fits best with your workflow. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not replace your skills. AI is here to augment your abilities, giving you more time to focus on strategic and creative tasks. In conclusion, integrating AI into your copywriting process can significantly boost your productivity, creativity, and efficiency. It's about embracing innovation and leveraging these tools to write smarter, not harder. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI-enhanced copywriting today and unlock new levels of success in your writing career. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of copywriting and AI. See you in the next video.